Hi there, this is Penelope. This is question 4 for DE4102 exam from trimester 2, 2018. Okay, now just watch here. It's got 3 significant figures. So just watch. It's not consistent. Every question could be potentially different. Okay, so let's have a look. If we look at the diagram, and we can see that BM over VM is equal to 4 over VM, just by filling in the information that we've got. And this angle in here, this angle in here is going to be 20 degrees. You just know that from school. So that's then going to be 4 over VM is going to be tan of 20. And if we rearrange that, 4 over tan 20 is equal to VM. Now that's then going to be approximately equal to 11 to 3 significant figures. Just watch that. Now part 2 says find the height of the tree BT. Okay, the height of the tree is going to be TM plus 4. Okay, TM is going to be the same as VM times tan 25. Okay, so H then is going to be 10 VM. Now just be careful, we need it as its accurate one. It wasn't actually that, it was something like 10.9899. So the height is going to be that number times tan 25 plus the 4, and again 3 significant figures, 9.124 meters. This looks like a question that we haven't done, but it actually is. It's just very basic trig. If this top angle here, the top angle here is 50, then this one must be 40. So then in this direction, we know that, call it x equals 10 cos 40. Now check what kind of measure do we need. It doesn't say. Yes, it does. It says to the nearest meter. Okay, so 10 cos 40 degrees equals, now check it out on your calculator, that is to the nearest meter. In the y direction, it's 10 sine 40, so that's 6.428 kilometres to the nearest meter. So x is in your easterly direction, and y is in your northerly direction. The last question, again, it's not taught to you directly, but you've got a Rhode Island that is circular, and the radius of that is 12. And it says, well, we can cover some of it, but not all of it. And we just have to find out how much of it we can cover, and check. Look, it says 3 significant figures. So the area from your formula sheet is half theta r squared, where theta is in radians, it says that, and we need that to be equal to, what does it say in the question? Needs to be equal to 140. So we're told that r is 12, so half times theta times 12 squared, which is 144, equals 140. So theta by 2 equals 140 over 144. Theta is going to be equal to twice that, which is 1.94 radians. Again, 3 significant figures. Now then it says, what is this degree? What is this angle in degrees? Simply convert it, use your calculator, 1.94 radians. Put your calculator into degrees, type in 1.94 and then shift and then the answer button and choose R, and we should come up with 111 again to 3 significant figures.